नमोऽस्तु नालीकनिपाननायै, नमोऽस्तु दुग्धोदधिजन्मभूम्यै, नमोऽस्तु सोमामृतसोदरायै, नमोऽस्तु नारायणवल्लभायै. Here we offer our salutations to Devi Lakshmi, whose face resembles a lotus. We meditate and offer salutations to Lakshmi Devi, who is born from Milky Ocean. Being born from Ksheerasagara, she is described as sibling of Moon and Amrit. We offer our salutation to Devi, who is consort of Narayana. नमोऽस्तु हेमाम्बुजपीडिकायै, नमोऽस्तु भूमण्डलनायिकायै, नमोऽस्तु देवादिदयापरायै, नमोऽस्तु शाङ्गायुधवल्लभायै. We offer salutation to Devi, who sits in a golden lotus. We offer our salutation to Devi, who rules the earth. We describe her as compassionate and bow down to her. We worship her as consort of Lord, who yields Shankayuda, that is Vishnu. Namostu Devyai Bhrigunantanayai, Namostu Vishnururasistidayai, Namostu Lakshmi Kamalayayai, Namostu Damodara Vallabhayai. We salute Goddess, who is born as daughter of Bhrigu Maharshi. We bow down to her who lives in the heart of God Vishnu. We meditate on her as Devi who resides in lotus, as well as consort of Lord Damodara, and offer our salutations. Namostu Kantyai Kamalekshanaayai, Namostu Bhutyai Bhuvana Prasutyai, Namostu Devadibhirarchidayai, Namostu Nantatmajavallabhayai. We salute Goddess, whose eyes resembles lotus, who has given birth to this existence, who is worshipped by gods, and also consort of son of Nanda. That's again Vishnu. Sampatkaraani sakalendriyanantanani, साम्राज्यदानविभवानि सरोरुहाक्षी, त्वं मन्दनानि दुरिता हरणोद्यतानि, मामेव मादरनिशं कलयन्तु मान्ये. We meditate on Goddess Lakshmi as bestower of prosperity. She is capable of providing joy to all senses. We meditate on Devi's glance, powerful enough to bestow us a kingdom. We bow down before her. It will awaken her grace, which will eliminate our miseries. We pray to Goddess to bless us, to serve her and sing her glories. Yat kadaksha samupasana vidhi, sevakasya sakalartha sampata, Samtanoti vachanankamanasai, Tvam murari hridayeshwarim bhaje. Here we meditate on Goddess as the one who resides in heart of Murari, that is Lord Vishnu. Here we bow down to her with our words, deeds and thoughts. We pray to Goddess to bless us with her glance, the glance which will surround us with all riches. Sarasijanilaye sarojahaste, Davaladamamshugaghantamalya shope, Bhagavadi Harivallape manotnye, Tribhuvana bhutakari prasida mahyam. We meditate on Goddess Lakshmi. She is described as the one resides in lotus. We meditate on her in a form which holds lotus in hand. Devi is described as dressed in dazzling white garments and with garlands which are fragrant with the smell of sandalwood. Goddess is also described as consort of Hari and most captivating. We request Goddess to bestow her glance to us as she is the source of well-being and prosperity to all the three worlds. दिक्कस्तिविक्कनगकुम्भमुखावसृष्ट स्वर्वाहिनी विमलचारुजलप्लुदाङ्गे प्रादर्नमामि जगतां जननीमशेष लोकादिनाथगृहिणी अमृताप्तपुत्री. Here we meditate on Devi and address her as Amritaptaputri. That means the daughter of ocean from which nectar emerged. We have to contemplate or imagine how Devi has emerged and became the consort of Lord Vishnu. We meditate on her with celestial elephants pouring the purest water of heaven in golden pots to do abhishekam for her. Here Adi Shankaracharya is advising to worship Devi during early morning, Devi who is eternal mother of the world. कमले कमलाक्षवल्लभे त्वं करुणापूरतरङ्गितैरपाङ्ग्यै अवलोकय माम किञ्चनानां प्रथमं पात्रमकृत्रिमं दयाय. Here we meditate on Devi as the one embodied in lotus and consort of Vishnu. We request her to bestow us with her glance filled with compassion. स्तुवन्ति ये स्तुतिभिरमीभिरन्वहं त्रयीमयीं त्रिभुवनमातरं रमां गुणातिका गुरुतरभाग्यभागिन भवन्ति ते भुवि बुधभाविताशय. Last stanza is Falashruti, which gives us immense joy and feeling of gratitude. It says, those who glorify Mother Lakshmi with this hymn every day will be filled with abundant virtues and blessed with a great destiny. They will become wise by her grace. Here we meditate on Devi Lakshmi as embodiment of three Vedas and mother of three worlds. Thank you.